statement with her attire, which creatively combines symbolism and advocacy. Her brocade adorned with beads and slogans like "Give back our stolen rights," and domestic work is a decent work, represents a rallying cry for justice and recognition. The black dress embellished with feathers from a feather duster and everyday tone in domestic work further emphasizes the dignity and importance of domestic workers often overlooked in society. This symbol is inspired by the Philippine national bird, the eagle, symbolizing the aspiration and resilience of migrant domestic workers who strive to support their families despite being unrecognized. The campaign aims to foster unity and solidarity, advocating for domestic workers to be valued equally and treated with dignity and fairness, ensuring their contribution are acknowledged with respect and justice. The Mediacom group of the Voice of Domestic Workers are dedicated in supporting and amplifying the message that migrant domestic workers must be recognized and their rights restored. Once again, from Mediacom Group, Annabelle Apolonio.